Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, here's the question we have to find out the limiting reagent here. And the masses of the reactants along with their molar masses given. From that, we can calculate the number of moles of calcium phosphate that is equal to given mass is given as 1500 gram divided with the molar mass 310 gram per mole. We will get the number of moles as 4.84. And if we consider the number of moles of SiO2, its given mass is 296 gram, its molar mass is 60.1, and we will get the number of moles as 4.92 mole. And when we consider the case of number of moles of carbon, the given mass is 306 and the molar mass is 12 gram per mole, we will get the number of moles as 25.5. And when we consider the number of moles of oxygen, the given mass is 1090, dividing it with the molar mass of the oxygen that is 32, we will get it as 6.81. Sorry, it is 34.06 we will get. And the number of moles of H2O here will be equal to given mass is 296 divided by its molar mass 18, we will get as 16.4 mole. So in order to simplify, the least number of moles, that is 4.84, we will divide with each. So here we will get it as number of moles as 1 mole. And on dividing here it with the 4.84, here we will get the least number as 1 mole also. On dividing the number of moles of carbon with 4.84, here we will get it as 5.2. Approximately we can take it as 5. On dividing this value with 4.84, here we will get as 7. And on dividing this value with 4.84, here we will get as 3.3. We can approximately take as 3. So in the above balanced reaction, we have seen that the calcium phosphate reacting with 3 moles of SiO2, 5 moles of carbon, 5 moles of oxygen and 3 moles of water. So what here we can see is that the calcium phosphate is reacting with 5 moles of carbon here, and more than 5, that is 7 moles of oxygen is reacting here, and the number of moles of water is 3 as same in the balanced reaction. But here we can say is that in reaction, the number of moles of SiO2 is 3, whereas in the number of moles of SiO2, we calculated here, we get it as 1. So what we can see is that here its amount is less. The limiting reactant or the reagent will used up completely in a reaction. So here we can see that SiO2, that is only having 1 mole, is completely used up because it requires 3 moles. So here we can say that limiting reagent in the above mentioned reaction is SiO2. So this is our answer. Hope you have understood the solution well. Thank you.